I just had a member say he didn't think he could afford this guy in India. Well, he was the perfect guy. And he said, yeah, but I'm looking at my P&L, and I'm going to be real tight on making money this year. And I said, well, how much money do you have on your balance sheet? And how much cash? And he said, well, we're in really pretty good shape. We got about $700,000 in cash. I said, this India guy for the first year is a balance sheet spend. It's not an operating income spend. And what was interesting is, in his first life, he was a CPA. and so, he was just, once he got it, and I just got an email from him. Right now he's in Japan, but the India guy is just blowing it out, So
it was the right decision.
And it was the perfect decision, but he was hesitating because he thought it was that he had to look at his income statement to find the money.
Right.
And in the beginning, if you're trying to build a sales force, you got to look at the balance sheet for the money, not the income statement.
Totally. I look at whatever you do to invest in that sales engine or that sales system, whatever people want to call it, it is an investment. It's just like buying a piece of equipment or some other asset
Exactly.
that you're looking for an ROI on, and sometimes ROI is a year, sometimes it's numerous years, even with equipment that you buy. And I think at the end of the day, it's how do you de-risk that decision? How do you de-risk that hire? And how do you de-risk them once they come on board so that there's a clear path that they follow? And that's where I've seen success work. It's when it is intentional.